Hello, Junkaholics. This isn't going to be a long video, real short and sweet as a matter of fact. But we're just going to do a small scrap run today. Here's some aluminum breakage, small engines. We're also going to bring in this tub of cast aluminum. We're going to bring in this tub of aluminum windings out of transformers. I had a batch that had one copper, one aluminum, so might as well sell the aluminum. And we're going to sell this bucket of aluminum. So we'll see you at what it weighed, what it paid. So, Junkaholics, it's time for what it weighed, what it paid. I didn't get aluminum breakage on those motors. I got tin. So at $2.10 a ton, I had 180 pounds. So that's 10.5 cents a pound. I got $10.50. And then cast aluminum, I've got 108 pounds, 50 cents a pound, $54. Hope you enjoyed this video, although it was short and sweet. Like, share, and subscribe. Catch you later. That's some nice junk. So it's time for joke of the day. So there's this young teenage girl, brings home the new boyfriend to meet her parents. And this boy, he's like covered in piercings. He's got a weird ass haircut, tattoos all over his face. The boy goes home. Mother says to the daughter, she goes, "He doesn't seem like a very nice boy." Daughter replies, "Oh, Mom, if he wasn't nice, would he really be doing 500 hours of community service?"